Hey everyone, this is Rose and I welcome you to my random channel. This is going to be, I think, the third video of this company that I've ever done before. And the company I am talking about is ThredUp. And if you don't know what ThredUp is, I will link my playlist up in the cards. It's basically like an online thrift store. And if you watch my two previous hauls, you'll see that I scored so much good quality name brand stuff for like the fraction of the prices. I recently did an order and they basically shipped it into 3 different packages because they came from 3 different fulfillment centers. And so I'm basically going to just go ahead and unbox everything, and then as I go through everything, I'll try everything on, insert clips of myself doing that, and then also caption like the breakdown of the original value of the item and the sales price that I paid. So I believe all the materials that ThredUp uses is like recyclable goods. They're all about, you know, being kind to the planet. That's like the whole mission statement of their company. Probably should have opened this in advance. Okay, so inside this envelope is my package, and it has like my order sheet that has return instructions, and then here's the first item. They do such a great job with their packaging. I hate ripping this tissue paper because I feel like the cheap person inside of me can definitely reuse it. If you're not a subscriber of mine, you may not know this, but I have an affinity for plaid. And so here is a Merona plaid top. I think I only own 1 green plaid shirt, and it's more black than green. Okay, so when I open the box, I'll remove my order sheet. And then here is this package. Take this out. And then here we go. All right. Everything's nicely folded. First thing is a Eden and Olivia size small. Another plaid shirt. I really love blue, you guys. It's my favorite color. And I don't own a plaid shirt that looks like this. So I got it. Second thing is another plaid shirt. This is by Old Navy. Size small, petite. And here is the style of this one. And these next 2 things are more for work. This is a New York & Company size small red cardigan, which I love I love cardigans. I own mostly black ones, and so time for me to get a red one. And I like the buttons. Kind of have like a crystal motif to them. And then the next thing is a blouse by Rockin' Republic, size 2. And it's like a chartreuse. My coworkers are gonna be like, WTF, because I never wear color. I mostly wear blacks and neutrals. And so, yeah, it's kind of stepping out of my comfort zone with this. Kind of see-through. I'll definitely have to wear something underneath this, but the camera, I don't think is gonna really truly pick up this color. It's like a highlighter neon chartreuse color. And so I think I know what's in this box. I actually ordered something that's gonna be functional for the next convention that I go to. Labor Day weekend, I will be at Dragon Con, which is in Atlanta, Georgia. And believe it or not, I will be cosplaying 2 out of the 4 days that I will be there. And so the hotel that my group is staying at is not a host hotel. It's gonna be like a few miles down the road where we'll have to take the metro, MARTA, sorry. Getting transportation systems mixed up from different cities. We'll have to take the MARTA to get to the convention. And so basically I'm gonna be stuck in a costume all day for 2 days, and I do not want to take the current purse that I'm carrying because it's very large and in charge. And so I decided to go online and find, it's actually what inspired me to do this haul in the first place, a book bag or backpack, whatever it's called. I've not actually carried a purse like this probably since I was in high school. But anyway, let me open this. And this is by a company I've never heard of before called Carryland. But I was very attracted to this besides it being black. It has many different compartments. And I see this being very, oh wow, there's slots for credit cards and IDs. Yeah, this thing is gonna be very useful for me. Hopefully it will not fall apart. I do plan on vlogging, and so I needed something for like my money, my ID, any snacks that I want to carry because I'm cheap, and my camera. So pretty excited about this thing. And so if you're interested in trying out ThredUp, I'll link their website down below. But anyway, if you have any questions or comments, please leave them down below. And again, this is it. Again, this is Rose, and thank you so much for watching this crap. If you found this video at all helpful or entertaining, then please don't hesitate to give it a thumbs up and subscribe and become part of my random family. Don't forget to click that bell for notifications, because that's basically like you're actually subscribing. And until next time, I hope you all have a great day, and you will see me again hopefully very soon.